Are you getting low views on your videos whenever you post them on your channel, or you don't even have views at all? Yes, I know that can be a very toughing task or giving you an headache. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can overcome low views on your channel. Yes, all just have to do is you watch this video to the end and follow my steps. Yes, if you are watching my channel for the first time, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell icon. In this video today, I'll be giving you some factors that make your video not to go viral or things you are not doing right. Yes, the first thing you need to know on your YouTube channel is you make sure you get it verified. Yes, I don't mean verification, you getting verification from YouTube, sending you blue tick or no. This is in normal settings you need to get done whenever you are creating your channel. Yes, if you have done it, you see it on your platform now, the way I'm going to show you. Yeah, the first thing you need to do is just to go to your Chrome, and input verify youtube.com/verify. Once you go to that place, just go, you see it if your account is verified, and if it is not verified, you'll be given the instruction to get it done. I'm walking you through how to do it now. Just visit your Chrome. Yes. Channel. Let me check now. Let's confirm the verification. What do you have to do? Just go to open new tab. Then you click on YouTube, youtube.com/verify, /verify. Then as you can see, it means I've been verified. And if you have not been verified on your YouTube like this, it will give you instruction or steps you need to do. This is a fresh account. I want to show you, if you have not been verified, this what you are going to see. This is a fresh account, all like the other one. You go for just the way I show you guys. Go to YouTube/verify. You click on it. So as you can see, it's going to bring it out like just like this way. Then you select your country. You can select if you want them to text you the code or you want them to call you. Then once you input your phone number, they are going to send you the code and you click on next. So that is how to verify your YouTube account. To verify it to make your account, more eligible, not to discover as both. You understand? So that is that. The second thing I'll be talking about is how to upload your video. Yes, there are some things we are not getting right on this Red app. Yes, if you want to upload your video, you don't need to upload it directly. What I mean by directly is that you don't need to just upload this. Once you upload your videos, it's going to ask you if you want to publish it or you want to schedule it. Yes, it's advisable to schedule your video. The reason being that YouTube will have enough time to gather information about the video, to know what the video is all about before pushing it out to audience. Yes, once you upload your video on how to cook, YouTube will have gotten the details on the videos and they'll push it to the right audience. So if you are uploading your video, instead of you to publish direct, you can schedule it like 2-3 hours before. If you want to upload by 12 in the afternoon, you can schedule it by 2-3 so that YouTube will have gotten information about the video and push it to the right audience. So that is the second thing you need to know. The third thing you need to know is for you to warm your account whenever you create it. What do I mean by warm account? Yes, many people just want to create accounts and start publishing videos on it. No, it's not done like that. Once you create accounts and you start uploading, they will have insight of you want to use the account for something that is not tangible. Warm it up 24 to 48 hours. Make sure you watch videos on that your account, video that relates to your niche. Warm it up with your niche. You understand? Not that I'll create my channel now and I start uploading videos on it. No, let the channel get warm. You understand? If you can connect it with Facebook, if you upload video, if you create a page on Facebook and you upload or you publish video or post directly, within 2 to 3 days, Facebook might get, okay, this account, what's going on? You need to warm it up. They can get it back. Same thing applicable to the YouTube. So once you create your channel, make sure you warm it up before publishing video. Warm it up very well. 48 hours, 72 hours is okay. That is 3 days. And after that, you can start publish your video. During the time of warming it up, you must have designed your channel very well. Design your channel properly from your profile picture, from your cover banner. You understand? YouTube cover, you understand, from your description, everything must have been done as at the time you are warming it up. So that's another thing you need to know on your video. Yeah, the next thing you need to know on your video is don't publish watermark videos. It's for your own sake. What do I mean by watermark? Video, you might get video from another source that have watermark on it. You must have understand what I'm trying to say. Don't post video with watermark on YouTube. It will hinder your channel. Don't post videos with watermark. You might get videos from from Pixabay, from other free versions, something like that. You can't just go to YouTube. You can't just go to TikTok, download videos and upload it on your channel. You can't upload such. It will affect your account. That is very important. Then the next thing I'm going to tell you guys is to upload relevant videos, upload quality content. Don't just upload for uploading sake. If you are giving out content, let people know that this content you are giving out is very important. It's very powerful. There are some content whereby you just publish for publish sake. You understand? The majority will just publish for public sake. No. Once people find your channel relevant, they find it meaningful that okay, this channel produce quality content, they will stick to it and they will keep watching your video. Unlike, okay, let me just come and publish, I want to publish 2 videos today. No, it's not done like that. When you are publishing videos, create a good content that people will stick, they will watch from the beginning to the end. You understand? So that's another thing entirely. The next factor you need to take into consideration is for you to upload your video in the right way. What do I mean by right way? Now, after recording your video, before publishing it, make sure you rename that video you name that recording to that your video title you want to publish. Let's say I want to upload a video on how to make money online and I've recorded it. During recording, depending on the kind of gadget you use to record, you can record with your iPhone, record with your Android, record with camera. They will, they might come with default naming. It may be image, it may be recording. Make sure you change it. I'll be walking you through how you can change your video to your title. If you are recording, you want to publish a video on how to make money online, then you change your video name to make money online. You're putting keyword to that name. It's not because of, not only for YouTube purpose. It's for you. Some people will go to you, Google and search. And if they search for how to make money online and your video is related to it, the video will show up on Google, which means you are getting another traffic from another source. You understand? It's not for YouTube alone. Make sure you record your video and you rename it according to the title of your video you are publishing. You understand? The same thing applicable to the thumbnails. Many of us will go to Canva to create thumbnails. If you are familiar with Canva, you will know that titles on Canvas, it comes up when you are downloading, except you edit it at the top, you change it at the top. So make sure you change it to that your title, to that video title, that is the keyword of the video, so that whenever people search for it, it will show up very well. So if you do this thing right, you will see a lot of changes on your channel that okay, these are the things I'm not doing right. And after you've implemented it, you will see a lot of changes. So now to rename your phone, to rename your recording, just like the way I told you guys before, you always make sure you rename your recording before you upload it. Now, this is the video I just recorded. How do I do it? I'm on my Android phone. I'll just locate file on my phone. File. Then once I see the video, I will hold it. Type it and hold it. Then you see it now. See this option below, more. This is the more. Then I will rename it. You see? How to get more views on YouTube. You understand? Then pams, I'm done. You see, it has been changed. Unlike before, that will just come with recording, image, blah blah blah. No, this is how to get it done. Then once you get that one done, anybody that search from YouTube, from Google, and once you meet up the SEO, your video is going to show up. You understand? So that is that. So make sure you take this into cognizance and you still watch this video to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.